It seems to me that almost without realising it, Stephen Hawking, who was taught by teachers believing in Besto's redshift rationale, has inadvertently explained how there could be holograms in space. In his television program, Hawking's Universe, Stephen Hawking declares his belief that time travel into the future is possible, if only we could travel at the speed of light. Of course, there is one thing that travels at the speed of light, and that is light itself. That most likely means that light itself might travel into the future. It has the right speed, and importantly, it has very little mass. The next thing Stephen Hawking says is if we want to see time travellers, we in the present should be looking for things from the past. But then cosmologists have been saying for years that space is full of historic images from the past. How can we see the past when there is nothing there? Maybe it's as though we can see the light from a torch after it's been turned off. We see the light, but not the galaxy or the star it comes from. Now remember, I've said a few times that light from any source can only travel from when it is generated or turned on towards the future via the present moment. Light cannot travel into the past. All this means that even though we see the light, the redshift galaxies which made it have evolved. They have merged through gravitation while the light has been travelling towards us. They have eventually become parts of the giant spirals of the Milky Way and Andromeda and the Triangulum galaxies. I think the past, which we observe, is just holograms. And through the Hubble telescope, cosmologists are seeing and photographing amazing, naturally preserved images of a hollow verse, a movie comprising past versions of the real present universe, pictures of what the matter which makes us was doing in previous times.